Hello everyone. So today's topic is about equation of straight lines. And after finish this topic, I hope you can write equation of straight line and solve some exercise related to the straight lines. Okay. So in this graph, we want to find out the lines AB. That A with coordinate x1, y1 and B with coordinate x2, y2. Yeah. So we let the point P be moved on the line AB with the coordinate xy. So we obtain the gradient AP equal to the gradient AB because the line AP and the line AB be collinear. So the gradient must be equal. So in the case when two lines are parallel, so the gradient must be equal. Yeah. Then you can write down the gradient of line AP will be defined by y minus y1 over x minus h1. And the gradient of line AB is y2 minus y1 over h2 minus h1. So this value we denote it by m. So m be the gradient of line AB. Yeah. And next, we have to find equation of line AB. Yeah. So we define it by this one. We know that y is minus y1 over h minus h1 equal m. So you move the denominator to the right hand side, become multiplication with m. Yeah. So y minus y1 equal m factor h minus h1. This called equation of line pass through one point, given that slope m. Yeah. So when you know gradient or slope m, and you know one point that the line pass through, then you can write equation by using this formula. Or you can convert this equation to the slope form. Then just move y1 to the right hand side, become plus y1. So m factor h minus h1 plus y1. So when you look at this, the coefficient of h is m. Okay. So always when they provide you the general equation of line, you need to convert into this form. So y equal mh plus b. Okay, then you will got the slope of line. Yeah, this be the formula slope of line AB. Okay, please have a look example number 1. We are going to find equation of line AB. So the first step, you have to find gradient of line AB. Yeah, it's like that. It is y2 minus y1. So y2 minus 1, y1 equals 3. So minus 1 minus 3. And h2 equals 2 and h1 equal minus 1. So h2 minus h1, so 2 minus times minus 1 become plus 1. Yeah. So we obtain the numerator is minus 4. So the minus sign can put here. Yeah. And then numerator become 4 and denominator is 3. So if you know gradient, then you can use the formula equation of line. Just replace to y minus y1 equal m factor h minus h1. So y1 is y1 is 3. So that's why it's here minus 3. And then this minus h1. But h1 is minus 1. So minus times minus become plus. And then you have to expand these two factors and move number 3 to the right hand side and convert it to the form slope intercept form. So y equals minus 4 over 3x and then minus 4 over 3 plus 3 because this number multiplied with x and multiplied with plus 1, okay? And plus 3 because we move minus 3 to the right hand side become plus 3. Next, you just compute the constant numbers minus 4 over 3 plus 3. So 3 multiplied 3 become 9. So plus 9 minus 4 become plus 5. So that's why plus 5 over 3. This be the line of equation AB. Okay. Go to another example. They give you the line y over 3 plus y over 2 equal 1. So for question, you find gradient, and second question, find coordinate of the point at which it cut the x-axis. So this be the answer. Now, before finding the gradient, you have to convert this equation into the form slope-intercept form. The slope-intercept form is equal y equals minus 2 over 3h plus 2. Okay? To find it, we have to move h over 3 to the right hand side. So become minus h over 3 plus 1. And we want to eliminate number 2. So we have to multiply both sides by 2. So you got this equation. When you got this equation, you can make conclusion the coefficient of h be the gradient of line. Yeah. So the gradient is m equal minus 2 over 3. Next, we want to find the point that the line cut x-axis. So when line cut x-axis, if and only if y equals 0. So y equals 0, you can replace into the equation. We will obtain h over 3 plus 0 over 2 equals 1. So by solving the equation, you obtain h equals 3. Okay. Then you can make conclusion. The line passes through x-axis at point 3, 0. Yes, 3, 0. Okay. So for your pay attention, and I hope you understand and you can do your classwork. Thank you. Bye bye.